Hello, Yatri. So welcome back to Yatri Cloud. So Microsoft gonna be giving you the back-to-back chance to get certified in totally free. So yes, here is your chance to get certified and get your 100% free voucher today. So here first, this is not video on specific Microsoft AI skill phase. That was over and you already submitted a form. Mostly you have a chance to get a voucher. But if you want to getting more certifications, you can go with this process and you can get your voucher. So let's get start. So this video is for everyone. This is eligible for all the students, working professionals, and even the who are the business owners. So don't worry about at all. Here you don't need a work email address. So let's get start. So as you can see right now, I'm gonna be back to our Microsoft Fabric community, and who already watching us from the last couple of videos and who are already connected with us from the long time, you know the process for how it works and how you'll be getting the voucher. So who are the new, I'm gonna be giving you the each and every step that you can follow. And even though you already know how to do, just make sure that you are following the correct way. So first and foremost, you can check the deadline, 15 June to 7th August 2026. So this is eligible in between. What you have to do, you have to just create first Microsoft Learn account if you don't have. The second step, that what you have to do here, so simply just you have to go with a certified for free. So before going further, I would like to say more about certification. So here you are eligible for the DP-600, DP-700 and DP-800. So any exam you can pass it out, that voucher gonna be send it to you via Microsoft. So these three certifications are eligible. Now coming back to our certified for free. So let's say you are looking for any other exams, right? Not for Azure now. And if you are looking for the AWS one, so you can simply go to our website where you can just schedule a call where you are gonna be getting the 50% off from my side, where I'm gonna be schedule your exam, which is AWS practitioner or associate one. So just book your slot and get certified with AWS also. And so that's pretty much about AWS. And if you want to looking for the LinkedIn Premium, let me know via uh, our WhatsApp community or just do in the comment. Would like to giving you the 75% off on LinkedIn Premium. So yeah, back to our Azure certification here. So first you can just click on the certified for free here, and you are going to be redirecting into the one form where you can see you have to complete two sessions here, which is gonna be organized on live or depending on the use case on demand. Secondly, you can just complete any three modules which is mentioned here. So let me go to the first live or maybe on demand sessions here. So click here and here you have to register. So how to register? Simply scroll down and select a week where you are available. So try to do it as soon as possible so you are going to getting the voucher earlier one. So let me go into the week of June 22 and here you can click on the register and watch and simply you can follow it once. Then second step, that what you have to do, you have to just go to your collection here where you have to complete minimum three modules. You can do more than three, it's up to you, right? But minimum requirement is only three. So here you can see this all are modules. So this is the one module, second is below, third is below, right? So you have to just complete any three modules, right? Total three modules, right? Not section wise. Let's say you complete this first three modules, that's it, over. You don't need to complete again three modules for section 2. All right. So let me back to again on our form. So here is the main two step that we have to follow, right, after creating the Microsoft Learn account. So here you have to submit this form, which you can see my right side, right, before 10th August, right. After that, you are not eligible to get a voucher. So this is a first come first serve basis. So today is the 15th June. So if you're watching this video tomorrow on 16th June, so please submit it as soon as possible, how as much you can do, right? As voucher is gonna be, getting the out, I can say it's gonna be limited, right? So maybe you are not getting a chance. So yeah, that's pretty much about everything. And lastly, what I'm gonna be share with you here, one voucher for one account. All right. So That's simplest. You just consider about it, and you will be getting a voucher once you submit the form. Just wait for 1 or 2 weeks, and you will be getting the mail via Microsoft in a private messages. So try to look into your promotions or maybe in spam anywhere, right? So yeah, that's pretty much simple about it. How to get a voucher? Let me go into the Microsoft form where you have to just select your country, select a certificate which you are going to get, and then just describe the why you want to certify for job, for maybe learning purpose, whatever. Then you can just simply give the answer here. The 2 sessions which you have to attend, just enter the name only. That's it. Then you have to just enter 3 modules here which you are gonna be completed soon, right? And here you have to just go with any something about if you want to uh specific you how you gonna be updated. So you can check it via YouTube or via our channel. You can mention there. Then you can just go there and do you have the certification. If you don't have, it would be higher chance to giving you the voucher. So if you don't have, please simply put it down no, right? Don't need to give the answer yes. Then lastly, you can just click on the yes if you are working at some companies who are partner with Microsoft, right? Unless you can simply click here NA, or you can put it out maybe not either. Okay, so you can see you have to just enter the no. Make sure and just submit it out and wait for your voucher in next 1 or 2 weeks. So that's pretty much about today's guys. So see you soon with your Azure certification, and do not forget to subscribe to the Yatri Cloud and follow me on LinkedIn to get such an update. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.